the 2022 Honda CR-V. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, heated seats, turn signal indicator mirrors, a power liftgate, and power front seats. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Honda ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.